Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial is I will show you how to add baggage to your flight booking on trip.com. So whether you are using the app or the website, let's get started. So of course, you need to open your trip.com app or the website and then of course, log into your account. Here, first open the trip.com or go to the website. And then here, for example, you'll be able to see here how to book a flight. So next one is we were going to add a baggage. So of course you can also see at the account icon at the bottom, you can go to the upcoming their trips and then on the website you can click my bookings at the top. And here you'll be able to see your additional baggage allowance. Here, when you scroll down, you can look for the baggage details section and then tap add baggage allowance to see your options here. So of course, select the amount of baggage you need, then proceed to the payment. There, you will see the total fee before you confirm it. And of course, guys, extra tip, adding baggage online is often cheaper than paying at the airport. So for special items like sports equipment or instrument, contact the airline directly. And if you don't see the baggage option, you may need to manage it directly on the airline's website using your booking reference number. And here, as you can see here guys, you just need to first let's try that one and then next one. You'll be able to see the total amount of your ticket. Of course, you can choose a seat here. And that's it, guys. That's how to add baggage on trip.com. So if this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Of course, thank you for watching, guys, and see you in my next travel tutorial. Bye!